Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a surprising topic: coffee grounds. If you thought they were only good for brewing your morning cup of joe, think again. I'm about to show you some incredible uses that will blow your mind, especially one that involves your toilet. But first, let's explore a few other fantastic tricks you can do with those leftover grounds. For our first trick, grab some coffee grounds and a paper towel. Watch closely. Just sprinkle some coffee on the towel, roll it up tightly, and voila! You've got yourself a powerful insect repellent, especially for those pesky mosquitoes. Light the ends and let it smolder just enough to create some smoky magic. This coffee smoke will drive those bugs away faster than you can say espresso. Next up, we're tackling bad odors. Simply place some coffee grounds in a container and pop it in your fridge. It's a classic trick, but trust me, it works wonders. Your refrigerator will smell fresh in no time. Now for a little DIY spray. Combine 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds with a cup of alcohol, mix it well, and let it sit for 30 minutes. After straining, pour it into a spray bottle. This powerful liquid repellent is perfect for those tiny ants that invade your kitchen. Just a few sprays around the sink, and they'll be history. Alright, now the moment you've been waiting for. Let's talk about what coffee grounds can do for your toilet. For this, you'll need a tablespoon of coffee grounds, a tablespoon of baking soda, and a tablespoon of vinegar. Mix it all together until it forms a paste. Now pour this magical mixture all over your toilet bowl. Let it sit for 15 minutes. The caffeine and acids in the coffee not only have antibacterial properties, but also tackle those stubborn yellow stains like a champ. And don't forget, the acidity neutralizes unwanted odors, leaving your bathroom smelling fresh and clean. Try this out, and you won't believe the results. So, next time you brew your coffee, don't toss those grounds, get creative. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing hacks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.